Hi, my name is Stephen Ness. I'm on the Biology AI team, and I'd like to tell you about our hackathon project, AI Review Paper Writer for Cancer. Review articles are really helpful. They tell you about the state of the art. This is one for tebentafusp, which is one treatment for one kind of cancer, this uveal melanoma, this revolutionary new treatment. There's lots of different kind of cancers though, and we want to use AI to help us write review articles for every cancer for this one treatment, this ImmTAC treatment, immune mobilizing monoclonal TCRs against cancer. This is to help bioinformaticians. They're scientists, and it's a new science that uses algorithms and computers to study biology. And we want to give these bioinformaticians new superpowers with LLMs. ImmTAC is a simple but revolutionary new treatment. It fuses two proteins together synthetically. It takes the red protein, which recognizes the cancer cell, and the blue, which recognizes the killer T cell, fuses them together. It binds to the cancer cell, T cell comes along and then kills the cancer cell. One application of this for uveal melanoma was even approved by the FDA last year. That's tebentafusp, and others are in development. So we want to get AI to write an ImmTAC review article for every different cancer. And we just want to look at this one treatment because we can use the same platform for a lot of different cancers. There's also other immunotherapies that might be in the literature that we could also get information from that could help cross-pollinate. We're using Entrez PubMed to download millions potentially of scientific articles that we can study. It's a rich data source that contains tons of information. Our flow chart is we're going to take one review article. I showed you that before, that tebentafusp article. We're going to use the LLM to first analyze why did the authors use that sentence in their paper. And then we want to ask the LM to help us write a prompt to make a new sentence for a new kind of cancer. So I first of all had to make a list of all cancers. I used publicly available information, and we have like over 1,000 different cancer cell lines. And for each cancer, we want to download all the abstracts from PubMed about this cancer. And then for each sentence in that template, we want to use retrieval augmented generation to generate a new one for this cancer. So just to show you the demo, we first use the LLM to determine the intent of the authors. So here's the sentence, approximately 90% of the UMs, dot, dot, dot. What's the purpose of that? The AI tells us the purpose of that is to provide statistical information. We ask it to turn that into a prompt, but for the new kind of cancer, and it provides a prompt. We then search Entrez for all the articles so we can get all the information about that, all the most recent information. And then we get the AI to provide a sentence providing that. That was the prompt that it generated using the abstract we just downloaded. And it generates like a really excellent sentence. The market for AI in oncology is huge. So like the oncology drugs market is about 184 billion now and going up to 484 billion in 2030 potentially. The market for AI in oncology is 1.2 billion now and is increasing year over year at 33.5%. There's lots of potential revenue streams, including licensing these algorithms and technologies to research institutions and other companies. We can also do partnerships and a lot of data storage and analysis. There's lots of competitors, but we should also look at them as potential partners like DeepMind, Google Health, BenchSci, which is a Canadian company looking at AI-driven literature, and IBM Watson Health. So there's lots of applications for LLMs in cancer research. It really feels like this is just like a gold mine with just like so many things that we can do. So we can update alerts on new articles that are published. We can identify connections between researchers, generate new hypotheses, and even run those hypotheses. So it's just an extremely exciting time. Thank you very much. Again, I'm Stephen Ness for the Biology AI team, making a AI to write review articles about cancer.